there! In this video, we'll be showing you how to purchase a meal membership. First, you'll want to log into your MyWings account at mywings.unf.edu. Then select the Student Tools tile. From there, click on Meal Memberships. You will then be directed to a new page. On that page, select the link that says Manage Meal Memberships. Select your term. Then, read the Manage Your Meal Membership information and click Add. Select which meal membership you want to purchase, then click Continue. Your payment type will always be Meal Plan Banner Charge. Enter your email and then click Confirm to finalize. You now have a meal membership.